The government and stakeholders are equipping the merchants from the Marigot Roseau Road area with the knowledge and the skills to form a unified vendor association. The vendors are part of the Project Affected Person program of the Millennium Highway West Coast Road Reconstruction Project. Officials say the formation of a sustainable vendor association is crucial as it ensures collective advocacy and helps develop the merchants' long-term financial sustainability.
We decided that we were going to see how we can actually help them to be able to foster more collaboration between them. As a result, we had conversations with them, we had consultations, we did workshops with them, and they indicated that maybe forming an association within them would have helped them to be able to be strengthened. And as such, the department decided that, hey, this is a good idea, and we have brought in persons, facilitators from the community itself and social transformation to be able to assist us in enabling them to build that capacity within them so that they would be able to be better, in a better place when they are actually relocated to the new facility. Now, I realized that I did not mention the relocation, but we are also going to be relocating all of them.
The workshop also aims to empower the merchants to help create more sustainable livelihoods.
A lot of these vendors highly depend on vending because this is what they piggyback on as it relates to bringing an income to the household. And most of the times as social transformation officers, we have to assist persons with welfare, assist them with many other support systems for the family. So having such a project, such an initiative, vendors can now be more empowered. They can go out and make their sales. They can go out and bring some form of income to the household.
The Marigot Roseau merchants will replicate the recently established Soufre Vendors Association as a model for effective organization and empowerment.
We're looking forward to all the other training sessions and opportunities to better ourselves, and we're hoping that it is done as soon as possible with our facilities, because we really need facilities on the highway and a better and proper structure.
Every time I say the word right, you pass the coins to your right. Every time I say the word left, you pass it to your left.
Other topics covered at the seminar included effective communication, leadership, conflict resolution, and financial management. The vendor relocation project is part of the US $43.3 million Millennium Highway West Coast Road Reconstruction Project to ensure that economic displacement is alleviated through enhanced alternative facilities. Gina Filippi, HTS News Force.